Here's my friend Adrian. Adrian wanted a custom keyboard, and being the good friend that I am, I made him build one. To put it simply, he did not have a good time.
It's not working, God. What the fuck? I swear to God! Why does it sound different?
I just want a quiet keyboard. And that if this is, cause like, yeah.
Now that we know what Adrian wants for his keyboard, we went shopping. After a good 20 minutes of researching, we decided to buy the BM65 from AliExpress for about 60 bucks. It came with a RGB PCB, a black case, and a plate. One of the most important things that you should first look for in a keyboard build are the switches. It's important to do your research on what you want in a switch, otherwise you will get lost in the sea of options when doing your shopping. Remember that there is no one best switch because everything in this hobby is completely up to preference. After offering Adrian some options, it didn't take him long to figure out that he was part of the linear gang, and his switch of choice was the banana splits. Here, listen. I think this time.
Dude, why is this so soft? Holy shit. Bro, it sounds like fucking ice cream dripping, bro. Holy fuck. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. Holy shit.
Banana splits, yeah?
That's insane.
Seem like you want some banana splits? Next, we looked at stabilizers. These are a very important part of your keyboard, and it is pivotal that you choose good quality stabilizers so that you can do the minimal amount of mods to it, but still have it sound good. I wanted to save my sanity, so I just had Adrian buy Everglide screw-in stabilizers. After getting all of our parts together, the prices were as follows. 60 for the BM65 kit, 45 for the banana split, 20 for the Everglide stabilizers, 15 for switch films, 50 for the keycaps. The total of everything rounded up was around $190, and that fit in our budget of $200, which I would say we did a pretty good job. Adrian checked out, and now all we could do was wait. Alright, Adrian, can we see your current keyboard?
God damn it.
That's enough of that. Put that shit away. Here we have a bunch of keyboard parts. So we got our PCB. Adrian's already digging into it.
Is it this one?
That's the plate.
I don't know what that is.
Those are your
I don't know what that is. Case. What?
We gotta tune the stabilizers first. That's the first
What?
thing we do. Those are the stabilizers. Yep.
Oh, fuck.
If you aren't sure what's happening right now, that's okay. Because honestly, Adrian doesn't have a clue either. I'm having him start off his keyboard build by tuning and lubing his stabilizer. If you aren't sure what stabilizers are, it's the part of the keyboard that is usually under the bigger keys, such as your spacebar, shift keys, and backspace keys. And it's a very important part of your keyboard build, because otherwise, it'll sound all rattly and pingy. Lay it flat. Lay it flat. No. 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 And then tap on the ends.
Oh. I see what you mean.
What that means, that like little rattle sound, that means that your stabilizers aren't fully straight. And what you need to do is basically straighten them by like take them off and then just like pull them.
Fuck. What if I...
No, don't do that, don't do that. No, don't pull in the middle, at the ends.
At the ends?
Yep.
How?
Alright. Damn, you're kind of like bending them.
Like opposite way, right?
Just make it so that it aligns.
Am I even fucking moving it, bro?
Nope.
I don't even think I am. Ow. This shit's fucking dumb as fuck, bro. What the fuck? Wait, let me think. I should push it this way, right? Yeah. Dude, I swear to God, it's getting worse. Oh God.
Now you gotta fix the other side.
Piece of shit. Okay. Oh my God. We're getting the hand of it. What? What the fuck?
So how are we doing with the stabilizers, Adrian?
We're done.
Can we get a sound test?
No.
After you tune your stabilizers, or in Adrian's case, give up, you can proceed to the next step, which is lubing and assembling the stabs. There are more detailed tutorials on how to do it, but the gist of it is basically just lubing the sides of the housing like Adrian's doing here, and lubing the ends of the wires.
Too, bro, fuck. I can't see how much...
If you end up over lubing it, it ends up becoming like too mushy. So you need to apply like the perfect amount of lube. Like just enough so you can see like a thin layer. Once you finish lubing your stabilizer housing and your wires, you're going to want to assemble them. The stems have 2 holes on one side and 1 big hole on the other side. In order to put your stabilizers together, you want to take 2 housings and their stems and insert the stems into the housing as shown here. When you have the housings assembled, you're going to want to take your wires and put them in through this way and just pop it in. You should hear it click.
2 holes, not the gold screw.
Right there, yep. When I'm wrong.
Oh. Crazy. Wouldn't it just be like this? Because the size is different, right? The gold one on top, and then the small holes at the bottom. You're my stomach, bro.
At this point, Adrian's just trying to install the stabilizers onto the PCB, but you'll see very soon why it's not working for him.
Oh, fits perfect. Fuck. Fuck, I can't pick it up, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please. Oh my god. It's not working, Con. I can't do it. Okay. What the? Oh my god! Okay, let me try a different angle. No, the hook went out. No. Oh no. Dude, please. What the fuck? Okay, wait, I got it. Oh my god! I'm sweating, bro. My hands are sweating, bro. There's no way. Oh my god. Is this supposed to go through the hole?
Yeah.
It's not.
It's not?
Like the bottom base hole, like right this thing?
Uh-huh.
Is this right?
Wait.
The screws look a little short.
You might have to screw it in from the other side. Yeah, I forgot about that. That's
Beautiful. Ah, perfect.
Yeah, Adrian has successfully put on all the stabs on his K-bod. This back part is detachable from the side.
Oh yeah. How the hell? Yeah, it's like a sleeve. Oh. There we go.
The switches look so cute, bro. See where they...
Oh my god, mate, you fucking bastards, eh?
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's ours. They all sound like slightly different, and I fucking hate how I can tell the difference now.
How so?
I feel like lubing and listening to it, I'm like, I've been enlightened, bro. I know the difference in small sound waves. That's a bit louder than I thought. Not enough lube. Whatever, bro. Add some variety. Much required. Oh god, I can't handle it. I feel like just knowing it, I definitely wouldn't mind it if it was any other key. But because it's my Windows key, no. This is adult Legos. I fucking hate how I can hear the difference. Why is it different?
It's like a very slight...
Yeah, it's slight. Why does it sound different? It sounds different. The right side sounds different than the left side.
It's the red. I'm sorry, it's the stabilizer.
I hear it, bro.
It's the stabilizer.
It's so...
I think I fixed it.
No.
Alright, so plug it in. Actually, fuck it, bro. Just put on your keycaps, bro.
What do you mean, fuck it? Wait, bro, don't show them my address, yo, what the fuck? What if they...
I'll blur it in if there's any...
You're not gonna remember, bro. You're not gonna remember.
I'll remember.
No, you won't. Oh! Dude, holy shit. It's so many layers of bubble wrap.
Oh, hell nah.
Oh, exciting. It's coming together. Bro, it looks so good. This part is definitely throwing me off, but it's okay.
It looks very good.
Just close your eyes. Pretend like it's not there.
How would you rate the experience today?
It was fun. It was an interesting experience.
Would you ever build a keyboard again?
Honestly, bro, now that I've tried it, sure, why not? But would I actually do it? I don't know. Definitely a possibility, though.
It's definitely a rabbit hole for sure.
Yeah, I feel like I'm already starting to fall down.
Bro, can I use the bathroom, bro? Yeah. That should be how we end the video, bro. Can I use the bathroom? And then, yeah.